What's going on, guys? It's Eli here with my good friend Golden Gamer 15 and Little Blue, and we're doing part 8, surprisingly. And I'm using Little Blue's phone because my phone died because, you know, ran out of battery. So now I'm using Little Blue's phone. So yeah, got free water, and we're leaving. So. Whoa! Oh, crap. I spilled some. Oh, man. I hate it when I spill things. I'm being serious, guys. Refreshing. I didn't want any, and I didn't want any water spilled on me. For crying out loud. And my hands all wet. Yeah. Nothing too bad, I'd say. I might wipe it off with a napkin when we get back to the car, so. Dog's barking.
I don't know. Oh, sorry.
Alright, so we're leaving.
School bus.
2 school buses.
They probably done that.
Jaeger Airport. Yep, even the bus says Jaeger Airport. Huh. Anyways. Okay, so. Oh man, look at that bus go. Yep, we had a great time here. There goes Little Blue and Golden Gamer 15. Walking, so am I. Anyways. Yeah, and guys, oh look. I'm not sure if you can see it because of the sun. I'm definitely planning to see Lego Ninjago, the Lego Ninjago movie. And I guess I could tell it'll be pretty good and funny. Military school. Why would you want to go to military school? Why would he want to go to military school?
I can help out with these. No, look, if I go to military school, whenever they have Jaeger Airport shows, I can be part of them.
Here it comes, boys.
Yeah.
I need to take a shot of this.
I can't. He's got my camera.
When it gets real close, take a shot of this.
The only thing is, I'm doing a selfie video, so.
Well, you're going to get a prism through the viewing screen, and that's where you're going to have to.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Wait a minute, I'm filming. Don't you realize I'm filming? Ay caramba. There's the view. So hopefully, guys, we will go to Town Center, depending. Okay. I had to take off the lid. Somebody just said I'm gonna run for my life. Once again, we're heading back to the car. I think I can see it, I don't know. But that's where we're heading. Huh. hopefully, guys, like I said, we'll do Town Center, maybe, possibly Town Center Walkabout 3. Oh, man. Last time we did Town Center with Town Center Walkabout was when we did Shaka Khan, so yeah. Woo-wee. Also, guys, this week, you will be, I will be coming back with more computer, videos of me playing games on the computer. There goes the school buses. That driver did not look thrilled. Bus driver, I mean. Okay, man, look at this road. Also, shout out to Amy McLean, if I'm saying that name right. Yeah, shout out to her if you're watching this. I appreciate what you commented in the video of my collection of Jack Skellington. You know, I gotta say, yeah, that action figure of Jack Skellington is really cool. Yeah, and I'll be planning to get Santa Jack later, so yeah. Because the only ones I have, as you guys saw in the video, are Jack, Sally, and Oogie Boogie. And yeah, there's a lot more that they did, like a Santa Jack, Dr. Finkelstein, the Mayor, Santa Claus, Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Yeah, and I'll plan to get those. I'd love for them to do the Werewolf, Mr. Hyde, and Behemoth. That would be awesome. But give them time, give them time. And possibly the Harlequin Demon. Have they already done the... I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I don't think they did. I don't think they did the Harlequin Demon. But anyways... Yeah. Oh, crap. Car behind me. Come this side. Uh-oh. Yep, there goes the car. Hey! Man. Talk about, you know, having this be a long walk back to the car. Oh crap, I almost dropped the lid. Hold on a second, guys, having trouble. I'm trying to adjust myself here. There we go. Anyways. Yeah, I really need to catch up to them. Pretty much so this video has just been me walking and talking a bunch of random stuff. But I will say this, with the air show, I said in the last video, it was, yeah, having a really great time. And we did have a great time here. Watching the planes and skydivers come down. Yeah, that was really fun. Alright, let me try and catch up to them. Because I got some stuff in my pocket, like I said. Look at those buses go. Okay. I can see the moon, kinda. It's peeping out. Okay. So there, once again, oh, there's our car. So there's Little Blue and Golden Gamer 15, just walking. Same thing with me. Man. The weather feels good out here. The sun is not too bad, I want to say. Alright, we're getting close to the car. And I'll pretty much so end it right until we get up there. Satellite dish,
Yeah, I see
if I'm saying it right. You're seeing the top of the water bottle. There we go. Anyways, yeah, this was really fun. And yeah, I said this, in the last video that me and Golden Gamer, we got into a plane. I forget the name and type of the plane, but probably mention it in the next video. Carry what?
It was a
tank shell.
Tank shell. Okay. Oh man.
I'm gonna sit in the back with Eli this time.
Alright guys, what are you looking at? Grasshopper, okay. Okay guys, while we're here, I'm going to end this video. Say goodbye guys.
goodbye, guys.
Okay. Alright. Well, alright guys, well hopefully I'll come back with another video, and hopefully if we go to Town Center. Yeah, and hopefully Town Center walkabout. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Part 8 is the final one. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.